Welcome to the weekly Ransomware Roundup, your weekly summary about all things ransomware, data protection, data security, backup and DR, storage, and cloud. As always, the links for these news stories can be found in the description below. Without further ado, this is the Roundup for the first week of August, 2022. Hackers jointly attacked the cross-chain crypto bridge Nomad and stole nearly $200 million in digital assets. Experts say that the attack occurred after Nomad updated its smart contracts and unintentionally made it easy to spoof transactions by failing to verify the assets being exchanged. The bug allowed transaction messages to be validated immediately instead of going through the verification process. Attackers misused this vulnerability to broadcast fake fund transfer messages, which were all validated by default and drained the wallets. It is estimated that at least $190.7 million has been stolen and $6 million has been laundered via cryptocurrency mixer Tornado Cash. A cyber attack caused government portal Albania to go offline along with other government websites. The attack involved a newly discovered ransomware dubbed Road Sweep that uses RC4 stream cipher to maliciously encrypt files. It also includes a spyware called Chimney Sweep that supports keylogging functionality and is capable of taking screenshots, listing and collecting files, spawning a reverse shell, and adding a new variant of zero-clear wiper malware that corrupts the file system. Unknown attackers have targeted Russian entities with a new malware, Woody Rat, that allows controlling and stealing information from compromised devices remotely. The malware is delivered via phishing emails which have either zip files or information security memo documents that exploit the Felina vulnerability. Rat escapes network-based monitoring and injects itself into a notepad process while deleting itself to evade detection. The malware can collect system information, list folders and running processes, execute commands and files received from its command and control server, download, upload, delete files, and take screenshots. On-premise DR solutions are faster and provide more control, while cloud DR is scalable, off-site, partially or fully managed, and affordable. This makes these solutions suitable for different requirements and budgets. We've written a comprehensive guide that compares on-prem DR appliances with cloud DR to help you choose the right fit for your workloads. Link in the description. A phishing campaign is targeting corporate users across the fintech, lending, accounting, insurance, and federal credit union industry in the US, UK, New Zealand, and Australia. Attackers are using the adversary in the middle, or AITM technique, to bypass multi-factor authentication. AITM intercepts the authentication process between the client and the server and steals credentials during the exchange. Threat actors are leveraging EvilJinx2, Morena, and Mudlishka for AITM attacks and online code editing services such as Code Sandbox and Glitch to open redirect pages hosted by Google Ads and Snapchat to facilitate the redirection URL code and evade corporate email URL analysis. An overnight attack on the Solana blockchain platform drained thousands of software wallets of cryptocurrency worth millions of US dollars. While there's no definitive answer at the moment about how the wallets were drained, blockchain security experts believe it to be either a supply chain attack, a browser zero-day flaw, or a faulty random number generator used in the key generation process. Another explanation can be a nonce reuse bug, which enables the threat actors to recover secret keys as long as a signature and the nonce is publicly exposed. Lastly, the promo of the week. Get a 32TB expandable up to 4PB air-gapped and immutable Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault, site recovery, backup and DR appliance with zero trust, SAN, NAS, and S3 object lockdown technology for ransomware protection for $5,995. For hardware details, demos, and quotes, visit StoneFly's website. That's it for this weekly roundup. Stay safe. See you next week.